Welcome to Decor Shows, your creative space.
In recent years, outdoor kitchens have become an increasingly popular addition to modern living. You'll find them at hotels, restaurants, and hotels with rooftop terraces. And now that summer is coming up and we're feeling the urge to grill more often, here are some things you should know about outdoor kitchens. Outdoor kitchens are the best option for cooking outdoors. It's the best way to make your kitchen look modern and stylish. You can use it for barbecues, grills, and fire pits. You can also use it for preparing food for your family or friends. This is the best way to add some color to your home and add a touch of class to your kitchen. You can have your dinner table in the garden, a poolside barbecue, or on the patio with some of your favorite dishes. Some of the best outdoor kitchens include fire pits, pizza ovens, barbecue grills, and more. There are kitchens inside the pool area, outdoor pizza ovens, and more. You can cook healthy foods using your outdoor barbecue grills. People like to cook outside of their house for a number of reasons. First, because it looks great in front of the home or even decking out around other houses on the street, but also precisely because they are usually cheaper than furnishing an entire new kitchen at home. There are many benefits to having an outdoor kitchen. Not only is it satisfying to cook food outdoors in the fresh air, but it can also be a great space for gatherings and socializing. Plus, if your outdoor kitchen is equipped with a grill or stovetop, you can enjoy delicious meals outside even during cold weather months. Something that you should consider about installing an outdoor kitchen is space. Before deciding whether or not to install your equipment, ensure that there's enough area for it in addition to seating and also a tabletop surface upon which to set the dishes. If done improperly, this can result in too much weight bearing on one side of the foundation, meaning you will eventually need more support, including concrete reinforcement where needed instead of steel posts and beams on all sides as well. The good news is that there are basic components and tools you can use to install this type of equipment. You first need to lay out a base for the structure, making sure it's level so as not to create unnecessary or uneven humps in the decking surface upon which you'll be able to explore your new outdoor kitchen. From then on, all items can easily find their place, such as electrical wiring, conduit pipes with plumbing for running faucets, and water systems, landscaping, drainage pipes, and power. Don't forget the paver slab to help support that above-grade kitchen area. You'll also want an anchor kit which helps keep huge logs stable while they're being cut. Then later in your project you'll be assembling log supports so everything is well supported. The final fine-tuning step will be how you place your brick pavers or flagstones to create a pattern of color over each row of bricks or flagstones. Just let them soak in for a few days before laying down. Once the above has been set up and initial steps are done, you can then begin setting up your outdoor kitchen equipment along with lighting, fountains, furniture, and bar stools, as well as other value accessories like fire pits that will complete this fantastic outdoor space unlike anything indoor.